Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. Before you click buy, here is the quick buyer-friendly breakdown of the office setup. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. One-handed infinite height adjustment, its counterbalanced hydraulic mechanism allows users to smoothly raise or that can make it more useful in everyday situations. Hygiene and durability heavy gauge, chrome-plated, not silver-plated, welded tubular steel construction for. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Stable and smooth mobility, equipped with smooth rolling, dual-wheel swivel casters for effortless maneuvering. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are better setup, daily comfort, and space saver. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. According to one shopper who bought it, this is an amazingly well-built product. My simple verdict: the office setup looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.